Within Business Central, we have the ability to receive payments from a customer using the Cash Receipt Journal. Let's take a look. Within the Cash Receipt Journal, we're going to register that this is a payment from a customer, and we select the customer. Now we could either enter the amount here for an unallocated payment against the customer's account, or we can go to Actions, Functions, Apply Entries. From here, I can see I have two entries. I'm just going to clear these application, and I'm going to reapply entries, which will replace it with the journal. And so this is for two separate invoices. That's going to equate to around 4,000. Press OK. The amount is pulled in, and as we scroll over, you need to ensure that you have your balancing account that's set based on this type of journal. We go Post, Post, Yes. Payment has now been receipted against the customer's account. If we're to go to that said customer, Trade Research, let's go Related, History, Ledger Entries. You'll see the payment just here, applied against the customer's ledger.